Good afternoon. Jesse here with Gold Beach Automotive. This is my first attempt at a Yamaha RMax 4-seater exhaust. Pretty satisfied how it came out. Flowmaster FX series muffler. It's got a little bit of packing. It's a straight through, but it's got some packing in it to soften the blow, hopefully. Bought a 2.5-inch ball joint, exhaust ball joint, or ball flange, whatever you want to call it. Bought it on the internet, pretty simple. I can get them at my local parts store as well, but figured order some things on the internet, save me some cost. It was about $10 for the ball joint. Got two 90s that were nice mandrel bent. Ended up chopping them down into pretty much nothing, but it worked out great. I used factory bolts, and I used a Toyota valve cover rubber grommet on the back side to isolate it from vibration to the frame. So it does have rubber isolators there. The hardware for the flange is just like some 5-inch long or 6-inch long bolt. I used the factory spring, backed up with a couple of washers, a brass bushing to center the spring on the flange, and a lock nut or a lock washer on the back of the nut to make sure it doesn't back off. Other than that, no major tools needed. Really simple, to be honest. Flip it here. You can kind of see the Flow FX emblem there. I decided to do a little hump in the middle to distribute the weight from pulling on the tabs. I'm not a great welder, so I just tack and kind of make do. I can weld, not a great welder, so I just kind of made it work. Again, relieved the center with a bent tab so that it wouldn't pull on the housing of the muffler too much in one spot, and that'll help distribute the load, I think. See if we can get a shot of the Toyota valve cover bushing up there. Rubber isolators. Pretty simple design. Really easy. Nothing fancy. There's the 2.5-inch ball flange. You see it mates up really well. No problem. I'm gonna give her a run. On again. Watch out. So yeah, just wanted to share a little bit about my RMax, and hopefully you guys like my video, and hopefully you're not discouraged from building your own. It's really simple, and it sounds amazing. Thanks for watching.